YouTube? It's your boy Cool with Cool Kicks. We are back for another video. Talking while I'm driving because I think I might get to this outlet like right when they open. But yeah, I'm on my way to Thousand Oaks, on my way to the Nike Westlake store. They haven't been super hot lately, but we still gotta check. Let's go see what's up. I did make it here with 3 minutes left. I guess technically there's a line. There's a couple people waiting outside. All right, let's see what they got, man. Make sure you guys subscribe if you are new to the channel. We hit up a ton of outlets here, hit up a ton of sneaker shops. We look for deals. We look for all kinds of stuff. All right, let's go. Morning. All right, do got a little crowd now. Got 2 resellers in front. All right, gotta hurry because there are a couple people going for dope stuff. Oh, there's some dunks right there. Okay. Gonna come up here, see, look. I think he went right for the Air Max 90s. He's already got 3 boxes. I want to see what's up over here. Anything in my size? Anything? No, I don't see anything that sticks out. Don't see anything that sticks out. All right, let's go check out the heat wall, and then let's look around. All right, I saw one of the resellers, he's picking up all the Air Max 90s. Those are the all whites with the black Nike sign for the women's. I didn't see the price because he grabbed all of them, but I'm not really looking for those anyways. Let's check out what's going on in the heat cart right here, or heat wall. Got some men's Jordans 2s. Jordan 2 Chicago, size 9. I am a fan of these. These look fire. Dude, the tongue does get creased up, but you know, I've seen that on a few of them. They look fire though. If I could find one for a discount, worth doubling up. I don't know. It is crazy seeing dunks readily available, size 11. Yeah, I'm still not a fan of these regular dunks. This does have better material than just the regular ones, but the suede is just it's not it. It's not it. Size 11 right here. All right. Hope you guys follow my stories, man. Do got some velvet Jordan 1 lows. Now these are like hella soft. Holy crap. These are 6.5. But is this 6.5 wide or is it 6.5 women's? I don't know. 6.5. Probably women's, which means it's like a size 5. We got some of these. We've been seeing a ton of these at the outlet. Clearance store's been having a ton of these. Fool's been picking this up for hella cheap. This is what, a size 11 going for retail though. Got some dunks. These are like, oh, never mind. I thought the dunks felt nicer, but no, they're not. They're regular dunks. $1.25 for those. Then got what, kids dunks, Jordan 1 lows right there, Lakers colorway. And this is the ambush ones, right? Ambush Air Force Ones go for $190. They asking for $190? Holy crap. One right here, size 12. You know, 3s. Oh, 2 got some 5s, size 11 5s, some size 13 3s. The red Oreo, and then some. These are highs, right? I think these are highs. Yeah. Oh, these are highs. Some denim highs. I don't remember these coming out. I do not remember these coming out. They're okay. That's kind of cheesy right there. All right. Do got 40% off. Every other spot's had 20 lately. They got 40. I'm gonna check out a few other spots this weekend because it's the first Nike outlet visit for this weekend. So yeah, we'll see what's up. I guess we'll start with the size 8s. So we got Metcon 7s going for $75 with that 40% off, man. Remember, you did get full box here, even on the clearance items, so that's pretty dope. $1.10 for these. Metcon 6s going for $70. Florida, University of Florida Pegasus. Why isn't it focusing? What the hell? Okay, there we go. All right, do got University of Florida Pegasus right here. Those are going for $120. Soccer cleats, these are going for $90. If you guys watch my videos, yeah, I picked up one of these for $30 for my kiddo. $30. These are the Vapor Edge Speed 360s. Size 9, more of these. Damn, I guess we're all the way into 10s already. The Infinity Run Flyknits, $1.20. Another one of those. Why not 0.5s, $1.20. These are 10.5. There's a 9.5 Pegasus 83 Premium. Going for $140 though. That's kind of high. Even with the 40 off, I think that's a little high. Pegasus 39 is going for $120. Size 10.5. Size 13. Look at this Vomero 16 going for $40. $40. Holy crap! Remember, you did get another 40 off. So what is that? $24. Another Metcon right here, size 14. Air Force One. Interesting purple color. $100 for that one. That's 60 after discount. Holy crap! That's 15 down to $60. Infinity Run Flyknit 2s. Got Vomero 16s going for $55, and then Air Force One size 17 going for $90. I did talk to one of the workers. I think the Air Max 90, the women's, I think they were going for like 70 or something, and then you get that 40% off. So pretty freaking good deal on those. They are women's though. They are women's. All right, we are checking out the aisles right here. The Air Max 2090s right here. Hirachis, these have steadily been going down. Got some Vapor Max Flyknit 2021s. Another Air Max 2017. Awful debuts. Got some Soldiers. Wow, 11 low IEs. That's definitely the cheapest we've seen those. They only got a couple of sizes. So size 8 to 9.5. They did have way more sizes before though. Another one of these Soldiers. Express Take Ones. The Liftoffs on sale. Wow. Air Force One mids. This is a quick strike. That nice suede on it. Air Max 95s. Air Max 2090s. Okay, that's a hell of a good price there. Checking out the performance section over here. Metcon Turbos. Oh, like a synthetic nylon in the front. You guys need to work out. Holy crap. Very limited in sizing though. 6.5 all the way down to 12. Yeah, I'm sure resellers bought that, man. That's just way too cheap. Wow. Metcon free 3s, or free Metcon 3s. Monarchs. These are the 4E wide version. Phantom React Flyknit right here. These are Epic React Flyknit with no laces. Always got Pegasus on sale, Pegasus 37s. Dang, they got a lot of budget stuff here in the performance section, like the free run 2018s. Yeah, that's pretty much what I got. Some wind flows and stuff like that, downshifters, stuff that people aren't too interested in. We're gonna go check out the clearance closet. Got some interesting stuff. This is Thermofit. I thought this was Tech Fleece. Feels like Tech Fleece, but yeah, look at this. It's like a robe, a yoga, Nike yoga. It's a freaking robe or something. What the hell? Okay, I've never seen that before. Got the matching pants right here. The pants look alright. Pants look alright, and these look like freaking Tech Fleece. Right? Got the white version right here. These are just really interesting. 40% off clearance in the clothing section right here. This flight hoodie is dope. $65. What is that with 40% off? Was that under $40? This is fly though, but it is an XL though, so it won't fit me. Got a gray version as well, go for $70. This is a large. I really like these flight hoodies. I think I have a turquoise one. Haven't worn it yet. Clippers hoodies going for $70. Still in the large. Ooh, FC Barcelona jacket. This is it's going for retail though, but you get 40 off though. Retail, you did get 40 off. This is $140. So what is that? $74 something? Like I said, $84. Okay. How's this a denim jacket? Denim jacket? Yeah. $145. This is a medium. Ooh, this one's dope. $150 for this. Oh, that's way dope. $50, 40% off. Dude, that is dope. I might have tried this on, dude. This is only what, 20? It's gonna be $30. $30. That's fire. $40 for this hoodie right here. Pretty dope hoodie, dude. Oh, this is really nice. Oh, it's an extra small though, $60. This one's hella premium right here. This is only $24 right here for gray hoodie. I don't think my kid needs another hoodie though. It's not bad. The only thing with this jacket, like, this is University Blue, but I think it's a different shade than most of the University Blue sneakers I have. I don't think this is gonna match a lot of stuff that I have. All right, this is fire though. Yeah, I think the University Blue is like it's a little lighter than a lot of the University Blue sneakers and stuff. Dang it. Of course, we're checking out more clearance clothing. These are the sweats. They got stuff 40% off, dude. It's like an interesting color. Huh? It's the size medium one for 40 bucks. Brings that down to what, $24? I don't see too many interesting things. This is this the one? Oh no, it's the same flight stuff, but different color than what I saw earlier. Do got Nike golf pants right here, going for 60 with 36. But they got other sizes right here. Look. Okay. Remember, 40% off all that crap today. Checking more and more racks. This one should be really interesting because look at this. 110 for this one. It's a Hopkins. I always think of like Bernard Hopkins whenever I see Hopkins. But yeah, this is fire, dude. Holy crap. $110, normally 130, so 110. And you get 40% off of that. Holy crap. That's dope, dude. 50, what is that? 55 bucks something? Holy crap. $60? Whose logo is that? Is that Tiger Woods? I don't see a Tiger Woods logo though. Oh, but Nike Polo down to $31, normally 72. What? There's a medium right there. Got a few. If you want a t-shirt with the sunshine on it, I don't know, 40 bucks for that. LeBron t-shirt down to $19. Oh, this is actually really dope. This is a Tiger Woods. I think it's a Tiger Woods shirt, right? Wasn't it? Because I thought it was Cincinnati Bengals. Maybe it is a Bengals. I don't know. But yeah, it's a T, right? Yeah, there you go. There's this logo. That is fire, dude. This one's actually pretty dope. Man, that's dope. 15 bucks. Size small, though. Dang it. I think if I bought that, people would be like, oh, are you repping the Cincinnati Bengals? Like I thought it originally was. $80 for this one. It's an XL. Sooners t-shirt. Look at this XL down to $20. Normally 40 down to 20. And then remember, get another 40% off on top of that. Okay, got a Jaguars. Oh, this is a kid's jersey though. This is a kid's XL, ain't it? Looks like it, because that's a really, really small XL. Yeah, 70 bucks for that one. Damn, had a couple jerseys. Ooh, Dodger shirts. Oh, it's the 2022 postseason one. Okay, $30 for those. That's a large right there. Got a couple of them. Yeah, Fighting Illini shirt. What's that? $24. All right. Let's continue to look around. Do got a Nike basketball shirt. That's the only thing I've seen here. $24. They got a few sizes. It is embroidered on, which is pretty dope. But yeah, that's about it. Just stuff like this. Down to $16. Just super, super bright. All right, random stuff right here. Look at this. Got bags here. Pretty cool. I don't know. Is this a tote bag? What is this? I don't know, but $20, you get another 40 off. Stuff like this is pretty cool. More random stuff like just socks. These are some long socks. Oh no, they're not long socks. These are a quarter. But these are like the super high-end stuff. Look at this, $20 down to 15. It is an XL though, so I don't think it would fit me. But 3 pairs, normally 20 down to 15, then you get 40 off, so under 10 bucks for that. Got socks for women right here. These are like, I don't know, these feel like better than the regular Nike socks. Oh, it is, I guess. Oh, it's a 6-pack right here. Okay. Yeah, I see stuff like this right here. These are smaller though. 18 down to 12. Got some high-end pullovers here. This is like super premium material-wise. Holy crap, $115 for the pullover, but you do get an extra 30% off. So not too bad. That's really high quality stuff. And the golf pants right here, $60. Just 30% off, right? All right, finally making it to the women's clearance section. The last like 2-3 trips here, I really haven't found anything for the women. That's kind of why I'm hitting it up last. Starting with the huge size, we got the Jordan 1 Low Elevate, size 12. These are going for 110. That 40% off makes everything worth it. This is like the heaviest slides I've ever seen in my life. Holy crap, these are so freaking heavy. But yeah, I don't know what these are with the Sophia slides. Jordan Sophia slides go for $55. Size 10 women's. Full Maro 16s go for 100, size 11. Metcon free 3s go for 90 bucks. Pegasus 39 shields, 9.5 down to 140. Or regular 140, and you get the discount on top of that. Air Max 1. Got some Forces right here, 7.5 go for 100 bucks. Size 7.5 Metcons. Oh wait, these are Metcons. Zoom Vapor Pro Hardcourts. So these are for tennis. Okay. 6.5 Air Max 97s go for 150. Size 8 Vaporfly Next Percents go for 160. Another one of those. Size 7.5 go for 150. Got some Vapor Max 6.5s. Just nothing too crazy. Do got tons of women's apparel on clearance. Multiple Racks. Got rack right there. Got 2 right there and another one right there. Got tights and yoga pants and stuff. Really well priced. Usually $30, normally $50. Remember, you do get an extra 40 off. And just sports bras, that type of stuff. Then we got jackets and hoodies. Nike hoodie right here, 50. That's the size medium, 50. Normally 80. Got a Phoenix hoodie right here going for $70. Got poofy jackets. It's a small though, 154 for that one. Then if you don't mind buying stuff off season, you can find a ton of stuff on sale, especially like shorts and stuff like that. And like tights, these are what, $30 right there. These tights down to 15. Got fleece shorts. Oh, these aren't even fleece. Got these fleece shorts right here done. Oh, these are regular price, so what the hell? All right, we got a crying baby. All right, let's go. Time to go. Let's go. Almost forgot to show you guys what I am wearing. Do got Airmore Up-Tempos right here, aka Up-Tempo 96s. This is, I think, crimson laser. I don't know. But yeah, I got these for $120 a while back. Got these at Foot Locker. And then, of course, did have to wear the Rice jersey. This only comes out during playoff time, so did have to get this. Shout out to the homie who helped me grab this. This is fire, dude. All right, now we're officially out. Let's go. Go Niners. Damn it, I do need a new backpack for my kiddo. He does have a backpack. He has a really nice backpack, actually. But I don't know, like the folders don't fit right. So I kind of want one, but I don't know. I don't want to pay $35. I think I got this for like 20 bucks. I think I got it for like 25 bucks last time. They only had one of them though, so I'll keep my eye open. I'll definitely grab one eventually. Maybe next week. I don't know. It's not like he doesn't have backpacks. He has backpacks. It's just I just want a better one. Eventually.